When it comes to maintaining your property in February, you might be wondering whether to tackle the tasks yourself or hire a professional. Let's weigh the options. DIY can be cost-effective and give you a sense of accomplishment, but it requires time, effort, and sometimes specialized skills. On the other hand, hiring a professional can save you time and ensure the job is done correctly, but it comes with a price tag. So, which is best for your property? For simple tasks like changing air filters, cleaning gutters, or caulking windows, DIY might be the way to go. These tasks are relatively easy and don't require specialized expertise. Plus, doing them yourself can save you money and give you a sense of satisfaction in keeping your property in top shape. However, for more complex tasks like HVAC, electrical work, or roof repairs, it's often safer and more effective to hire a professional. These tasks require specialized knowledge and equipment to be done correctly and safely. Plus, professionals can often identify and address potential issues before they become major problems, saving you time, money, and headaches in the long run. Ultimately, the decision between DIY and professional maintenance depends on your skills, resources, and the specific needs of your property. It's essential to weigh the pros and cons carefully and choose the option that best fits your situation. But regardless of whether you choose to do it yourself or hire a professional, the most important thing is to ensure that your property is well maintained throughout the year. Regular maintenance helps prevent costly repairs and keeps your property in good condition, ensuring a positive experience for both you and your tenants. Let's look deeper into some specific examples of DIY and professional maintenance tasks and discuss the benefits and considerations of each. For DIY maintenance, you might consider tasks like painting, landscaping, and minor plumbing repairs. These are projects that many property owners can handle themselves with the right tools and know-how. By taking on these tasks independently, you can save on labor costs and have more control over the outcome. However, it's essential to recognize your limitations and know when to call in a professional if a job becomes too complex or unsafe. On the other hand, professional maintenance services can be invaluable for tasks that require specialized skills or equipment. For example, HVAC maintenance and repairs should typically be left to certified technicians who can diagnose and fix issues correctly. Similarly, electrical work and major plumbing repairs are best handled by professionals to ensure safety and compliance with building codes. When deciding whether to do it yourself or hire a professional, consider factors like your budget, available time, and the complexity of the task at hand. It's also essential to weigh the potential risks and benefits of each approach. While DIY maintenance can save money up front, it can also lead to costly mistakes if not done correctly. Conversely, professional services may come with a higher price tag but can offer peace of mind and ensure the job is done right the first time. Ultimately, the key is to strike a balance between DIY and professional maintenance that works for you and your property. Whether you choose to handle certain tasks yourself or enlist the help of a professional, the goal is the same: to keep your property in excellent condition and provide a safe and comfortable environment for your tenants. And remember, if you ever find yourself in need of selling a property quickly, our team is here to assist you. We specialize in buying houses in any condition and can offer you a fair and competitive price. So don't hesitate to reach out to us for help with your real estate needs. Thanks again for watching. If you found this video informative, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights on property management. And as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. We're here to help you succeed as a property owner. Hope you have a great day.